Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. We bought our RV about 6 months ago and we're weekend warriors. So most of the time our RV is parked and waiting for our next adventure. Well, this week winter officially showed up. We're expecting our first snowstorm and suddenly we had to figure out how to protect our RV when we're not using it every day. So in this video, I'm sharing exactly what we did to prepare and protect our RV from snow and ice, plus a few things we learned along the way. As weekend warriors, it's easy to forget about the RV once it's parked. But snow and freezing temperatures don't care how often you camp. Our biggest concerns were snow and ice damage, and making sure Della would be ready to use again in the spring. We had had her winterized in October, so we knew the pipes were drained and flushed with antifreeze, and the batteries and tires were checked. We made sure all the window shades were down. We opened the refrigerator door to prevent mold and removed our clothing. We're not living in it, so our goal wasn't to stay warm. It was preventing damage while she sits. Our son and daughter-in-law and grandchildren came to give us a hand. We sure needed it. We focused on the outside, since snow and ice can cause long-term issues if you ignore them. You'll see what we did, and later I'll share with you how we could have done this better. We decided in the fall that we were not going to buy a cover for Della. We don't get much snow in Maryland, but then all of a sudden, the entire area was preparing for a blizzard. I had watched a couple of videos about protecting the roof because unlike homes, RV roofs are not built to withstand the weight of snow and ice, not to mention the possible leaks that might occur as a result of so much snow. We suddenly realized we needed some protection for this impending weather. On my way home one day, I saw a van in our neighborhood that had a tarp over the roof. I showed the picture to my husband, and he liked the idea. So he bought a tarp and some rope. We made sure the roof was clean so snow wouldn't trap moisture. She's parked on a slope so water can drain properly as snow melts. And since Della will be parked most of the winter, protecting her now saves a lot of stress later.
Well, I think both of us need to go up so we can have it straight. So. I don't think I can just drag it myself, but I can give two people more time.
Are you doing the black side up or?
Just the top.
You got it up. Okay.
So if you get on the other side,
Have to move over to the left more. This is gonna blow off as soon as we leave.
I think he has ropes. He said he had ropes.
I got the left.
I got your ankle.
No, move. I'm not a heights person. You called the wrong guy.
Okay, come down. We'll leave it.
Alright, well, you know what?
I'll send Jeremiah up there.
Oh,
I got the ice pick.
cool.
No,
Wait, you have.
put it out for me. Alright,
Guys, you got a knot going?
I'm gonna use a sailing knot here.
Okay.
Sailing.
Doesn't like the knot. I mean the glove.
One, we'll go like that, and then go like this, and go like that, and go like that. There you go. Now chuck it over.
Don't miss. Use that arm.
Yeah,
Don't
get
let Jeremiah
get
that
some,
one.
get some. Give us some slack. Chuck it over. Actually, and let me help you a little bit. Nicole, come here.
You could even just carry it.
That's what I'm gonna do. Hold on a second.
What?
Hold him, Nicole, okay?
I'm holding him.
Oh, yeah, pull it around back. There you go.
One more step.
Huh?
One more step.
Aw. You want to use the hours? Oh, there you go.
How you doing over there? You see the, hey Paula, you're still up there, right? Yeah. Okay, the black, you see the black Evolution air conditioner? Yeah. See if you can throw a tarp over the top of that.
You're gonna have to go up.
Oh, it just moved.
I got you.
The ladder just moved.
I got you.
Don't.
I got you.
Okay, don't.
All I did was put my foot
Huh?
down so
Yeah? Alright, hold on. Nicole, you got the ladder?
I have you and the ladder.
You got it. Yeah, I got it. I got it. Oh. Alright, so. Alright. Woohoo!
Looking good, buddy.
We got it. Alright, I'm coming down.
Wait, we're not done yet.
We got to put the ropes through the holes, right?
You just wanted to cover the air conditioning.
Yeah, but you still got to
Strap it down.
strap it down with ropes or
Yeah, but I
something.
don't need to get on the roof and walk around.
No,
No.
not at all.
This is good. Alright, well, we only have one rope. So
Oh, really?
He's going to have to use his knife and cut it in half so we can have two ropes. We have two sides.
Okay.
Don't I have rope in the tree? Why don't you cut that rope in half and then give me the other half and I can tie it
What's the plan, buddy?
to the
Tie it to what?
undercarriage. The undercarriage.
The handle?
No. The wind will yank it. Hopefully the rope's long enough to go down to
Both sides. Well, and you
we
need need
is
to
this?
tie it at least
12 feet, so I need 25 feet.
2 or 3 places. You can't just do it one place.
We'll tie it here
Yeah.
to there. That's 12 feet, and there to there. That's 12. I think it was a 100-foot rope. It's not plenty. Because we
Can't do anything, Apollos. It's pulling. Stop pulling! Stop pulling!
Whoa! Whoa!
Bro.
Perfect.
Sandy's tighter.
Oh, all right.
Like a lot tighter.
Okay, okay. All right, well, I'll tighten it down once we do this other side, so.
Okay.
Here you go, Nicole. Can you flop that, tie that in there?
I can't
that-
tie it. but
Don't
I
you want to tie it on the end?
Do you want me to get up there and tie it?
Which one do you want?
The one on the end.
No, I cannot reach it.
I can.
That's why I was just asking if you can reach it.
That's just an announcement.
I know. I understand.
Like this. You know, like that, right? Okay. This. Alright.
Don't
You
pull
don't
it.
pull too much. We're going to lose them here.
Alright.
So we're going to have it kind of like this.
Okay.
Okay?
Alright. Can I have someone toss me the knife? Or
Give it
length, right? I can go. You hold that, and I'll go tight. So,
to- Hold tight.
alright.
Give yourself some room to tie that knot.
Okay. Okay. Wait, wait, that's not tight. Is it? Is your side tied down?
No.
Oh, alright. Well then this should be tight enough.
Okay, remember, when the wind scoops, it's going to come under here. Okay? So,
Alright.
what we probably want to do, Apollos, is bring it back here. Bring the rope back here and tie it to the end. Just like this.
Right.
I think I might take the other one back. Unless you want to go all the way across. I mean, we can go all the way across. We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. I mean, you got the air conditioner or whatever it is on top covered, right? That's the most important thing.
Yeah, really.
Yeah.
That was my concern.
Right.
And you know, these things are like $50 a piece. But they're not cheap.
Right.
And they won't rip.
Oh, it's getting it.
The knot's gonna be stronger down there. Close. So. Plenty of rope, so I can do the mariner knot. But I can't do it over there because I didn't give myself enough rope. So I didn't think I was gonna go.
Okay, we're ready to tighten it up, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I got my side. You know, the snow's going to accumulate. You know, we can wipe that off. But I'm going to protect the electronics on top.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a great job, man. Good. Perfect.
That'll be all right. Come back in a couple days. We'll be fine.
Come back in a couple days.
Thank you
son.
so much, Apollos.
Thank you. So, you're a lifesaver.
Amen, brother.
You are a lifesaver.
Just call me. If I don't text you back, just call me.
You are a lifesaver, Paul. Thank you. I appreciate it. I appreciate you. I couldn't do this without you, man.
Yeah, that's how it works.
Thank you, Apollos.
Yeah, no one can do anything alone.
You got 2 ladders, right?
Yeah.
She's gonna be fine.
She's going to be fine. This being our first winter with Della, we learned a few key things. Winter preparation is way easier before the storm hits. Winter preparation is way easier before the temperature gets in the teens. It was cold that day. Preparation took a lot longer than we expected. The more help, the better. Have all the tools you need beforehand rather than having to make do. For example, we would have preferred bungee cords rather than rope. We think there would have been more flexibility in how we tied down the tarp. And bungee cords are reusable. We would have used both tarps, but we didn't have enough rope. Our ladder wasn't tall enough, and as I said before, it was cold. Even if you're not using your RV, it still needs attention. And a little prep now can prevent very expensive repairs later. We definitely feel more confident heading into the winter now, and way better knowing Della is protected until our next trip. And she's all ready for this snowstorm that we're going to have. That's actually coming supposedly tonight. So Della is all ready. The air conditioner is covered at the top. And hopefully she will survive this snowmageddon that's coming in just a few hours. Thanks so much to my son and daughter-in-law for helping, and my wonderful husband for getting her taken care of. I think she's gonna be okay. Right, hon?
Yeah. She's gonna slap it. She'll be all right.
She's gonna be okay. Give me a high five. Give me a thumbs up.
It's cold, 16 degrees. Got it done. Protected from the elements, the electronics, air conditioner on top. I couldn't have done it without Apollos from the cold. Grandkids supporting, rooting us on from inside a warm car. But we got it done. We'll check her out in a couple days.
Yep, she appears to be doing quite well. Lots of ice hanging off of her, but she's standing there waiting for us to come and get her once this weather passes. Now the tarp appears to be holding. It's a little windy today, but so far she looks really great. If you're a weekend warrior and snow is in the forecast, don't put this off. A few hours of prep can save months of frustration. If this video helped you or you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. Drop a comment if this is your first RV winter or if you have winter storage tips we should try. And don't forget to subscribe for more of our RV life content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.